In this video of MS Word course, I'm going to show you how to use Clipboard in MS Word. Well guys, Clipboard is a quite efficient tool that helps you to save multiple content in the backend so that whenever you need it, you can use that particular content in your document, right? So let's understand that how we can use Clipboard in MS Word. So let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Word tool, and here we do have some content which is in different colors, so that I can show you that how I can copy or cut these content in one go and then paste it whenever I need it, right? And how this is happening, how you can save this content in the back end of your tool. Basically, Clipboard is the option that holds the action, basically holds the content for some time, so that you can use this content after sometime whenever you need the content, right? And there's one thing: if you are shutting down your system, if you are turning off your PC or your laptop, then the clipboard will be vanished. Basically, the content which is saved in clipboard will be deleted automatically, right? It gets refreshed automatically. Right now, there's a question that how many actions a clipboard can save. Basically, 24 actions can a clipboard can save, right? One action is, let's say I'm just selecting this and copying this, right? So this is one action, and this one action will be saved into the clipboard. And as you can see here will be a notification which says, if I click copy, here you will get the notification that 10 out of 24 clipboard item collected, right? Which means it is continuously saving my actions, and the actions are basically cut or copy. Whatever I do, it will save automatically in the back end of the tool, right? Let's say I'm just copying all the content one by one. Let's say I'm doing like this and then this, right? So I have copied 5 colors. Right now, if I go at the end of the document, and if I press Ctrl V here, so I'll be able to see that the only content which I have copied last time, that particular content is getting pasted only, right? As you can see, that was black color. But if I go to my clipboard is basically in the home tab. As you can see, I'm in the home tab, and here you'll be able to see the clipboard option. You have to click here, and all the content which you have cut it or which you have copied will be auto saved here, right? And it can go up to 24 actions, as I've already told you. Now, if I write it here and if I click here, I'll be able to see that all the content which I copied is already saved here, right? As you can see, all the 5 colors are here, and that's how you can go up to 24 actions. I hope you understood. And this is basically a tool which can drastically improve your efficiency in MS Word, because you don't have to like just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. You can copy multiple content in one go and then paste it one by one, right? People do use Notepad and other content saving tool in order to copy the content, right? So you don't have to use those things. You just have to copy the content one by one, and you can paste it whenever you want. But you have to note one thing, that if you are turning off your PC or laptop, then the data in clipboard will be vanished, right? So I hope you understood how you can use clipboard, how you can leverage the power of clipboard. And if you want to learn more facts and amazing tricks in MS Word, please subscribe and like this video. I'll be coming up with the different tips and tricks in this MS Word course, and you can follow this playlist. Also, don't forget to share this course with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word, right? And with that said, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.